In this tutorial, we'll show you how to change the language in the Instagram app using an iPhone. Whether you want to use the app in your native language or switch to another one, the process is simple and quick. Just follow the steps below to adjust Instagram to your preferred language and use all its features more easily. So, to begin, open your Instagram app and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in the app, the next step is to tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile page. When you're on your profile, tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the Settings page. Once you're in the settings, scroll down and look for the language section. When you find it, tap on it. A pop-up window will immediately appear. Here, tap Continue. In this section, find the language option again and tap it. Once you do that, a list of available languages will appear. Find the language you want, tap on it, and the change will be applied. Now you can go back to Instagram and you'll see that all the options and menus are now displayed in the language you selected. This way, you can use the app more easily and efficiently, fully adjusted to your language preferences. And that's it for this short video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, leave a like, share the video, and consider subscribing to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time.